Why pilots, lawyers, people in corporate industry, hotel industry, and medical industry should only do long hair transplant when they want to do a hair transplant. My name is Dr. Amit. Over the past 17 years, we have done over 8,500 hair transplant procedures and over 1,000 long hair transplant procedures. Now, if you're a doctor, lawyer, pilot, if you are in the hospitality industry or you are in the medical industry, can you afford to go and meet your patients, clients, customers with your head shaven, with all red appearance like this, as you can see in this picture? Or can you even afford to wear a cap all the time? I think it is very embarrassing, especially if you are a pilot, if you are a senior person in the hotel industry in a five-star hotel. Imagine you are at Taj and you are a senior manager and you have to face the public with a cap on. It's not possible. Or with all blood and everything over your head. They will throw you out of the job. If imagine you are a senior lawyer, can you go to court wearing a cap like this? It's not possible. That means you have to take leave. How many weeks of leave will you take? 4-5 weeks. How much of salary losses you will have? That is where long hair transplant comes in, because on day 3, as you can see, this gentleman, zero hair on day 1 when he comes for a transplant, and you can see now that on day 3 he has full hair. Don't you think you can go to office with this look? Of course you can. You can fly a plane, you can go to court, you can see patients, or you can face any industry with this kind of a look. Next 1 minute I am going to make you listen to the testimonial of this patient. What does he feel? What has changed in his life? You will be convinced after listening that long hair is the only way that you should be doing a hair transplant.
Howdy guys, this is Ayaz. I'm from Texas. I'm going to talk to you today about my long hair transplant with the FUE at Divine Cosmetic with Dr. Amit Gupta, and we're going to show you how it's done. Howdy guys, this is Ayaz. I'm from Texas. Today I'm gonna talk to you about my hair journey. Long time ago, I actually had an issue with my hairline. I was losing my hair for a while, and I did try it on a hair wig. I tried on a hair fiber. I tried everything you can think of, and nothing worked out. So I started looking it up online for the hair transplant and all that, and I actually came across doctor's YouTube video at Divine Cosmetic, I think so. And when I started doing a little bit more research, and I called quite a few doctors, but I will tell you one thing about Dr. Amit and the difference between the other doctor. Dr. Amit Gupta will give you the facts. Like, nobody in the video will say that, hey, you need to go check the degrees of the doctors. Hey, make sure the team's. And I've been coming over here. I think so I landed in New Delhi on Sunday. And today is Thursday, and I just took it my own time because I actually wanted to see. But my surgery was done within a day. I already saw my result within, I think so by Wednesday, I already saw my hair and everything. And the team members are same. I haven't seen a new faces or anything. And I will say one thing that, like, a lot of people be like, oh, I can get this stuff done in Turkey and all that. But understand something difference between a Turkey and this thing, because I was one of you guys. I was going to do the same mistake, but I did my own independent research because I actually come from a medical history background. And when I was doing my own research, I realized something. In Turkey, most of those clinics that do the hair transplant, they are not certified, because you need to understand every country has their own laws and all regulations. And hair was something that I was very careful what I wanted to do with it. And other thing I would say, the doctor was very friendly. At the beginning, when I got in touch with the doctor, I showed him he asked me for my pictures for my head, and I sent it to him within 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, he actually sent me an Instagram video showing my own hair, my own treatment plan with the free consultation while he's over here in New Delhi. I'm all the way in the United States. And he showed me, he's like, this is what we're going to do. You're going to land. He break down everything for me. And the best and the beautiful part is none of my family members are from India, from New Delhi to be more precise. But doctor did offer me. He's like, hey, we have a guest house. They were very nice. My Hindis ain't that good. So he had a team member that will translate for me. Doctor gave me his own personal number and everything. And at the end, doesn't matter whatever I say, just look at my hairline and look at my before picture and look at me right now. And honestly, I'm very happy. It's worth it. I personally think it's worth it because the results that you give, I cannot see why people won't budge for it. Like, it's something y'all should do. They do look after every second. When I was here, I got my breaks. They actually offered me homemade food. I asked, I was like, I'm good, but they do take care of you. Doctor will text you once after surgery. There's a follow-up people that will call you. Even you're gonna get a text message from doctor and a call. So I think it's worth it. Like, I don't know why people have this anxiety because and I came all the way from Texas. Think about this. 14 hours away, not a single family member is in New Delhi. And I came, so I'm the best example.